Hi and welcome back. I'm DevPool and I want to talk to you about how software engineers make money. Well, for us we have a couple of ways, and the first one, which is the obvious one, is working 9-to-5 job. You go apply for it, you work your 9-to-5 shift, you go home and then you can play video games, watch movies. It's really up to you what you want to do. And it's quite profitable. When you're starting out, you might be getting between 50 to 60K, and as you keep on growing, you'll be getting 100K a year, over 120K a year, or depending on the company you'll be working for, really. And then the second, which is very common for developers to go for, is freelancing. The only downside for that is you need to find a really good client that will be paying you a good money, and you really like the work you're doing for them. But one of the websites you can use is Upwork, but unfortunately you can't really find a good client down there. It's pretty rare to find a really good client that you can stick with, do work for, and keep on doing hustling there. The third one, what we do is we build our own services or SaaS applications. And what it is, let's say right now you found this pretty cool use case or this new idea that you can implement for email support. And you'll be creating packages for that, where you'll be saying that, okay, for this specific package you have 3 features, for this package you have X number of features, and so on. And you'll be charging people who are using that monthly. So that is something that a lot of developers go for if they see a really good business opportunity. And then the next thing what you can do is tutoring. That is something that I used to do before when I was back in school. I'll be going to my class, and right after I'll go tutor other students. Something that a lot of software engineers do right now. And if there's something that you're into, there's something that you like, helping out others, that could be another benefit for you. And the next thing that software engineers do on their spare time is they create content. So for example, I can create helpful videos on how does API work. If you don't know what API is, there's a video about that, by the way, you can check it out. Another thing that experienced developers do is creating their own courses. So let's say a developer been in the field like web development for 5 to 10 years. They'll start to create their own courses for backend, for frontend, using specific languages like PHP, Python, Java, Ruby on Rails, whatever it is, or Node.js. And for the front end, they'll use JavaScript frameworks like Vue, React, Angular, whatever is popular, having a trend, and something that they are proficient in. Another thing you could also do is create an open source project. So for example, if I were to create an open source project right now on GitHub, and if it goes viral because it solves a specific problem, or if it improves performance in a specific area, then it's gonna go very viral, and I'll be able to make money out of that. And those are the 7 ways of how developers make money. But it's not limited, to be honest, because there are many other ways how a person can make money through software engineering skills or software development skills. And which of those ways are you planning to go into, or is there something else that you're doing right now? Why don't you leave a comment down below? If you really like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video with others, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.